In fourth question, integral 0 to 2 x into square root of x plus 2 dx. So here what we are substituting? Let x plus 2 is equal to t square. Now derivative on both sides. X derivative dx, 2 derivative 0. Next to t square derivative 2t dt. Now when x here t square is equals to what? X plus 2. From this t is equal to square root of x plus 2. Now when x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0 plus 2 under root, that is equals to root 2. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to x is first upper limit x is equal okay. Now x is equals to 2, t is equals to 2 plus 2 root 4. Root 4 value 2. Now you see integral. When x is equal to 0, t equal to what we got? Root 2. When x is equal to 2, t equals to what we got? 2. Next to x is equals to x plus 2 equal to t square. X is equals to what? T square minus 2. T square minus 2. Next to square root of x plus 2. X plus 2 equal to t square under root. Next to dx is equals to what? 2t dt. 2t dt. Now 2 is before integral. 2 is before integral. Root 2 to 2. Next to t square minus 2. Here square root is get cancelled. T into t dt. 2 into integral of root 2 to 2. T into t square. T square into t square, t power of 4. Minus 2 into t square into dt. This is equals to 2 into t power of 4 integration x power of n formula. So t power of 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. So t power of 5 by 1. Minus 2 into similarly this is t cube by 3. Limits of root 2 to 2. This is equals to 2 into. Now you substitute x is equals t equals to upper limit. So 2 power of 5. 2 power of 5 is equals to 32 by 5 minus 2 into 2 cube value. 2 cube is equals to 8 by 3. Upper limit finished. Now lower limit. Root 2 power 5 is equals to 4 root 2. 4 root 2. How I written? Root 2 is equals to 2 power of 1 by 2. 2 power of 1 by 2 into 5. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is equals to 5 by 2 is equals to how we are writing? 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 square is equals to 4. 2 power of 1 by 2 is equals to root 2 by 5 minus 2 into root 2 whole cube, that is 2 root 2 by 3. This is equals to 2 into, here total LCM is 15. Total LCM is 15. 32 minus 16 minus 32 into 5, 32 into 3, that is 96 minus 2 into 8, 16, 16 5s are 80 minus 4 3s are 12 root 2. Minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20, 20 root 2. This is equals to 2 into 96 minus 80, 16. Next this is 8 minus plus 8 root 2 by 15. Now 8 is common. 16 by 5 because before 2 is there. 8 common. So remaining 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 is the answer. Otherwise, if we take the 16 is common, that is equals to 32. Next remaining we are writing. Next Fifth question. Integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. 1 plus cos square x dx. Now let cos x is equals to t, derivative on both sides. Cos x derivative minus sin x, x derivative dx, t derivative dt, sin x into dx is equals to minus dt. Upper limit, here t is equals to what? Cos x. T is equals to what? Cos x. When x is equals to pi by 2, t is equals to cos pi by 2, 0. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to cos 0 value 1. Now you see integral 0 to 1. Integral over 0. 1 to 0. 1 to 0 because lower limit 0. Then that time t equals to what we got? 1. So upper limit is pi by 2. T equals to 0. So 1 to 0. Next to d sin x dx is equals to what? Minus dt by 1 plus 2 t square. Before integral minus 1 to 0. 1 by 1 plus 2 t square into dt. That is equals to minus of integration of 1 by 1 plus x square formula, tan inverse of x. So tan inverse of t 0 to 1. This is equals to 1 to 0. 1 to 0. Now minus upper limit tan inverse of 0 minus lower limit 1. Tan, this is equals to minus tan inverse of 0 is 0. Tan inverse of 1 is equals to pi by 4. Minus or minus plus pi by 4 is the solution. Now, sixth question we need to solve.